Hello, love. Welcome to a guided meditation with me, Tides and Loli. I'm so excited you're here. So let's start with getting comfortable in a seat, whether that is sitting, cross-legged, in a chair, or lying down. One of the best things you can do is start your day with self-love and connection to self. So let's start with a couple of deep breaths. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, 1, 2, 3. Self-love is an act of connecting back to who you truly are. Being able to understand the beauty and love that is around you. But most importantly, instead of looking externally, understanding the beauty and love you have within yourself. Seeing all the incredible gifts, strengths, and qualities that you have in yourself. We often are so hard and difficult on ourselves and are unable to see the beauty in ourselves. There may have been things in the past that have happened that you aren't happy about, you aren't proud of, and that's okay. It's time to forgive yourself. One of the kindest things you can do is forgive. And understand the things that you had gone through were most likely the best you could have done in those moments. So take a moment. Whatever came up in that moment, it's okay. Breathe it in. Feel the emotion and let it go. The better you are at doing this, taking a moment, acknowledging whatever it is, and letting it go, will only strengthen the ability to connect with yourself. People often ask me, what is the best way to move forward and get what it is I want within my life? But they want the magic pill. They want the thing to make it easy. But the best and easiest thing to do is connecting back to yourself, giving yourself the love you deserve, and understanding that everything you possibly can do starts with forgiveness. Forgiving whatever it is that came up that maybe you weren't able to deal with. And the beauty is that you are ready now. You're stepping into your power, your strength, and your beauty. So let's start from there. Now you may ask me, how often do I have to do this forgiveness and release? And it's a daily practice. It's something you do on the regular basis. When you start to feel bad or sad or angry, you start to compare yourself, start to look where you can give yourself some grace, some forgiveness, and release it from there again. It's an ongoing practice. So here, take a deep breath, connect with yourself, and release it. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. When you open your eyes, see a newfound beauty. all around you, but more importantly, within yourself. Thank you for joining me for this meditation. I hope to see you soon. Namaste.